Hi, welcome to Something More. I am Swanan, and today we are going to have a look at the Oakter Wi-Fi Smart Plug combo. I had ordered this on Amazon and using this for more than a couple of weeks. Here is the main box. Here we can see both 6 and 16 ampere plug along with the Oakter branding. On the side we can see the product details along with MRP, but you can purchase it way low below the MRP price on Amazon. Let's open the box. Here we can find some paperwork and the two plugs in their separate boxes. Let's have a look at both of them. This is the small 6 ampere plug which we can use to control small appliances like TV, music system, and this is the big 16 ampere plug which we can use to control large appliances like geyser or refrigerator. These plugs are very good if you are planning to start upgrading your normal home to a smart home. Now let's set them up in the Oakter application. You can find the application link in the description. Adding a plug in the app is very easy and you can follow on-screen instructions and connect the plugs to the Wi-Fi via app. Once connected, you can use the app to control the switch. Also, you can use Amazon Alexa or Google Home to control the switch too. Alexa, turn on TV unit. So that's it guys. You can find the links to buy this in the description. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. See you in my next video.